I did my own side.
What are you doing, Dylan?
Decorating a cake.
Who's the cake for?
Chrissy.
And?
Mom.
Yeah?
You're welcome.
No. Okay, well, let's see you decorate. Let's see you do some awesome stuff on that cake.
Okay. What about different decorations?
Do whatever you want. You can make a straight line. You just got to keep squeezing it and moving your arms. Let's see, what'd you do? Made a plus.
Plus or not?
Logan, get that back. Logan, are you going to decorate some of this cake for Mom and Chrissy?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay, Logan, let's give Logan a try. Logan, all you need to do is squeeze it. Here, Mommy, help you. Squeeze it really hard. Oh, wow. Good job. You want to do one more?
Yeah.
Okay, squeeze it. The kids are decorating Chrissy and my birthday cake. Beautiful.
Let me see it.
You want to do right here?
Let me do one.
Okay, do it, Dylan. Beautiful. Okay, that's good. Stop. I don't know if you have a career in cake making or cake decorating because I think that kind of stinks.
Mom, it does wrong.
But
okay, here comes Logan again. I can do it again too. Let me try.
it looks like a worm.
I hit my nose. Oh no.
Oh, you're making a mess at the top. Look at that. It's coming out on your hand. Oh. Okay, I think you guys are done. Thank you so much for helping me decorate my cake and Chrissy's cake.
You're welcome.
What do you, Logan? Logan, what do you say?
You're welcome.